All of the functions we have seen so far have been of the form mod fx. What we've seen is that to produce the graph of y equals mod fx, we've drawn the graph of y equals fx and then kept all of the parts above the x-axis, and all of the parts below the x-axis have been reflected so that they're now above the x-axis. This happens, of course, because mod fx cannot take negative values. So if fx takes the value -2, mod fx takes the value 2. So for this graph here, we're going to keep this portion, and we're going to keep this portion. This part which is below will reflect upwards, as will this part. So the blue curve is the graph of y equals the modulus of f of x.